Hello friends, I am Satish Chaudhary and today my agenda is how to install the R and R Studio for Windows operating system. This step 1, download R. If you want to download the R, go to the website this and download, install it completely. Let me check how to install the R. You have to download R, or you can simply write in Google to download R, and the first link is called the download for the latest version of operating system. Here the download 3.5.2 for Windows. A single click and it is download to the system. Let me check where it is download. R is exe file R 3.5.2 win.exe. Firstly, you have to install the completely in R. It's very simple and easy to install. The installation of R, just run the permission, yes, okay, next. If you want to customize your R, then use yours, otherwise accept defaults. next installing the R. It's your friends, it's your first step how to install the R. And now we have to move for the second step. Download the R Studio. Go to the website, download www.rstudio.com, or you can simply write the Google download R Studio. In rstudio.com, no products /studio download. Go to the free version of download, and there are two types of installer. One is installer and the second one is zip tarballs. If check your operating system and download the R Studio. I am using the Windows operating system, then I install R Studio 1.1.463. Here is installed. Next, let me check. Continue. R is continue installing. Let me wait for a few seconds. If the R installation is complete, then after we will install the R Studio. Otherwise it's not working properly. It's the basic steps. Firstly, you have to install the R completely. You have to install the R. If you want to use R in data science, then please download the version of 3.5 and above. Otherwise the few packages are not supported in the previous versions of R. Okay, it's finish. Once your installation is complete, then install the R Studio installer. Okay, yes, next. It's going to be installation. If the R Studio is completely installed, then we check with the help of one small program. It will take few minutes. Okay, it's going very fast. Okay, once you have completed the installation, then go Windows, all programs, says one folder created R Studio. Open the R Studio. If let me wait, here R will be open. Okay, our R is open. There are looking for different screens. One screen for console, and one screen for source, and one for global environment, and one for packages. What packages you have in your R? If you want to install the packages, then click on install and go to the packages. Is the basic program is print hello world. This is our basic program. It's called print hello world. Okay friend, this is the final installation of R and R Studio. Okay, bye bye.